Hi creative friends, I'm Sonia from Sustain My Craft Habit, and I'd like to introduce you to Hootie. Welcome back to our channel. I get that you probably think we're reaching a little bit with this project, but we actually wanted to show you what you can make using materials you have around the house. So our new friend Hootie is meant to go outdoors, so keep him in your garden, your backyard, or even your patio. Just be sure to keep him away from little hands and pets because it is a cheese grater after all, so the edges are sharp. Over time, he's going to rust, adding to his charm, but I think whenever you see him, he'll make you smile. So let's get started.
For this project, you'll need a cheese grater, a drill and drill bit, assorted sized lids, screws, bolts, and washers, branch snippers, and a branch with wire. To start, grab your largest lid and trace it on a piece of paper to create the template for the eye. Next, cut out the template with a pair of scissors. Take your two largest lids and place them onto the cheese grater to practice the placement of the owl eyes. Next, take your circle cutout and place it in that same spot to mark the hole for drilling. To make it simpler, we used the side of the cheese grater with the largest holes so that we didn't have to drill through the actual cheese grater. Now transfer the markings from your paper template onto the lids. And then repeat the same process with the smaller lids, marking a spot for drilling the holes. Think about where you want to place your eyeballs on the eye when you're doing this step. Now it's time to drill the holes through the lids. Be very careful when drilling the holes, making sure that the lids are secure and fingers are out of the way. Ideally, you should use a drill press for this step. Time to assemble the owl. Begin stacking your lids from smallest to largest, and then place the screw through the holes as shown. Next, place the screw through one of the large holes of the cheese grater, and then take your washer and bolt and secure the lids to the cheese grater. So now one eye is done, and you'll repeat this with the second owl eye. So the fun part is positioning the eyeballs where you'd like them, giving the owl different expressions. So the next step, take your wood, your piece of wood, and glue it between the two eyes to form the owl beak. Next, take your branch with your copper wire and thread it through the large holes at the bottom of the cheese grater, as shown. Now place the branch just underneath the wire and wrap the wire around 3 times to form the owl feet. Repeat with the other side. Using a pair of pliers helps to wrap the wire around the branch. And that's it, all done. Your upcycled cheese grater owl is all done.
So there you go. Now you have a new friend for your home. Is this a pretty... or your shoulder. or your shoulder. So let us know, is this the strangest upcycling project you've seen in a while? Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and check out more upcycling projects and DIYs on sustainmycrafthabit.com. Thanks again. Woo, woo.